Hey, what's going on all you classic Mustang lovers out there? Hyder Restoration's coming at you for a quick video. Today, I am going to use some upholsterer's tape to replace a couple of the bigger rips that I have in my back seat. Mostly because I want to be able to keep this seat for the next 6 to 8 months as I am refinishing the upholstery, getting some floor plans put in and a bunch of other stuff. And so I just want to try to salvage this before summer gets here. So what I'm going to do is show you the upholsterer's tape I'm using. I'm going to go ahead and tape it up and then show you the result afterward. Now, this is not a permanent fix, so I don't want anybody to think that this is my end goal here. It's not. It's more so just to stop the tearing and also to be able to cover the seat up. So let's go ahead and head inside, start taping. Now that we got the back seat off and starting to really take a look at this, you can see just how weathered this 61-year-old seat is. It's really frail, got some pretty good splits here. So what I did was I went ahead and rubbed all the areas where I'm going to apply the leather tape down with some rubbing alcohol. And then I'm using some leather repair tape, and then you can see the color that I'm using from that brand. So I'm going to go ahead and get this applied and see what it looks like afterward. It's not going to be perfect, but it should be able to preserve the seat for at least another 6 to 8 months till I get the blue and white pony interior in. All right, so you can see that I now have the tape installed. It's not perfect. However, I'm pretty confident that as we begin to heat up, this is going to smooth out just a little bit. And it's way better than potentially having just that open gap to continue to rip. So applied a little bit of heat to it. I've got a heat gun, and it seems to be pretty well adhered at this point. I'm hoping just to get another 6 to 8 months out of this. This is obviously the highest point in the car that's going to be hit by sun, and so I just want to make sure that this doesn't continue to rip anymore, and that, you know, it's got some support around each of these edges that are starting to come apart. So this is the finished product. You can see that it looks a lot better than what it did. Here's the before and after. And you can see that all of the major rips and tears are now gone. And obviously, I just want to point out again, this is a cheap, quick solution to a much more expensive and drawn out process of getting our blue and white pony interior installed, hopefully by the end of 2026. So yeah, I feel like it's pretty functional. It should last, and really, from 50 feet away, you can't even tell that it has these covers on it outside of the car, and at least it's not going to continue to rip. And I was able to patch just one or two other small issues, one on this side over here, just to make sure that we've got a little bit more support and stability. So anyway, hey y'all, hope that was helpful. If y'all are experiencing the same thing, I know that there are a lot of leather patches out there. You can pretty well match your pony's color of interior to any of these. I would just make sure that it is able to withstand heat and that it's made for automobile leather. So if you found the video helpful, go ahead and hit us a like and a subscribe as we continue the journey of restoring this classic pony. We'll catch you on the next video. Hyder Restoration's out.